Breaking news coming in. Rane has been taken to Sangameshwara police station in Ratnagiri. That's the latest coming in. Union Minister Narayan Rane taken to the police station right there in Ratnagiri, and he's been detained over his controversial remark against Uddhav Thackeray, in which he said he would slap the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Narayan Rane stands to be detained at the moment over the slap Uddhav remark. The police say process is on for his arrest too. For the moment, he's been detained. That's the latest coming in. Devesh is now joining us for the very latest on this. Devesh, Narayan Rane has been detained for the moment. He's been taken to Sangameshwara police station in Ratnagiri, and what we're picking up is that the police is now going to be hoping to arrest him. Questions arising on the process of law if they're following, as the BJP is questioning.
Chati, as of now, Narayan Rane has been taken to the Sangameshwar police station from the place where he was detained. The Ratnagiri SP is there along with him. A medical team has been called because Rane's supporters have said that his blood pressure and diabetes has shot up. That is why a medical team has been called to check on him. Also, Rane's sons Nitesh and Nilesh are present at the police station. A police team is present. Pramod Jathar, who is a senior BJP leader, also said that for the day the Jan Ashirwad rally has been stopped, it's just for a day that the Jan Ashirwad rally has been stopped, while the protest will go on till Narayan Rane is released. BJP workers, remember, are protesting in Ratnagiri and at the police station, calling slogans against Shiv Sena and against the Maharashtra state government in favor of Rane, because he has been detained right now by the Ratnagiri police, while Nashik police is on the way to place Narayan Rane under arrest. Ratnagiri police have detained him from the hotel from where he was lodged, and right now he's been taken to the Sangameshwar police station where he will be kept, and when the Nashik police team reaches the police station, he'll be handed over to Nashik police. Remember, Nashik police commissioner Deepak Pandey.
I also want you to tell our viewers about Narayan Rane moving the Bombay High Court to quash the FIRs against him and seeking an interim order granting relief from any kind of arrest. But I believe that the lawyers did not follow the due process of the law, and hence the court is not hearing the matter on an urgent basis.
Yes, Chati, the High Court has refused to hear Narayan Rane's plea on urgent basis, seeking bail, seeking protection from any arrest in the cases that have been registered against him in this matter regarding the statement that he had made against Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. The court observed that due process of law was not followed while filing the plea at the Bombay High Court, and that is why the High Court bench refused to hear the plea filed by Narayan Rane. Initially, his interim bail plea was also rejected by the Ratnagiri court, after which a Bombay High Court plea was moved by Narayan Rane and his lawyers, which has also been rejected right now. So as of now, Narayan Rane doesn't have any kind of protection, and he could be arrested at any moment whenever the Nashik police team arrives at the spot. Nashik police team, remember, is on the way. And
so it looks like up until the point where the High Court is not being able to hear this particular petition on an urgent basis where he's seeking to quash the FIRs against him, the police is following the due process to ensure that he can be arrested, and it's just a matter of time that after this particular detention where he's been taken to Sangameshwara police station in Ratnagiri, the Nashik police will arrive there and arrest him. And on the back of that, we already know that there has been clashes between the BJP and Shiv Sena breaking out in Nashik and in Mumbai, and that's only likely to get intensify further in case he faces arrest.
Exactly, Chaiti. BJP supporters are already saying that the protest will go on till Narayan Rane is released by the police. Meanwhile, the Nashik police team is on the way to place Narayan Rane under arrest. Remember, he has just been detained by the Ratnagiri police. As of now, he is at the Sangameshwar police station in Ratnagiri, and they are presently waiting for the Nashik police team to arrive over there. Remember, Nashik police will follow our procedures. They'll submit arrest memo. They'll hand over our arrest memo to Narayan Rane, and then he'll be placed under arrest and then taken to Nashik. A case has been registered at the Cyber police station against Narayan Rane. That is why Nashik police had left from Nashik to place Narayan Rane under arrest. He'll be produced in court, and after which his custody could be sought by
Absolutely,
the Nashik
Divyesh.
police.
Thanks for joining us with the very latest details right here on Narayan Rane's detention. Matter of time, perhaps he could be arrested any moment now. Keep tuned into India Today for the latest details as far as this fast-moving story is concerned. His sons are present at the police station in Ratnagiri. Narayan Rane, for the moment, stands to be detained. His arrest looks imminent as of right now, given that the Bombay High Court has not heard that particular petition filed by Narayan Rane's